Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Video Ads 2.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of video ads for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate video ads in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Video Ad Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is video marketing all about. What are video ads? How can video ads help your business? Shocking video advertising facts to consider. Section 2. Video ads step by step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about finding the right tool to create your video, getting started with YouTube advertising, creating a basic video ad campaign on YouTube, using AdWords for video, setting up an in-stream ad, setting up an in-display ad. Section 3. Advanced Video Ad Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about creating a brand awareness campaign, creating a video ad on Facebook, creating a video remarketing campaign, other video advertising platforms to consider, optimizing your video ads, and video advertising tips and tricks. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of video ads on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.